Hello guys, welcome to Moneyline tips. As you remember, a few weeks ago I made a video on how to use Moneyline software to manage your portfolio in sport betting, meaning that this software will be able to guide you and tell you how much you stake each day and manage your portfolio if you use the right odds, and also give you an edge over the booking. So in this video I'm going to show you how much I've made using this software, and if you have been following this channel and you implement that software and use it on our 2 hours daily, I believe you've also made so much profit. So I'm going to review how much I've made in the past 1 month. My target was to win at least 19 days out of the 30 days in a month, and today was the end of that target. That means I've been able to win 19 out of 27 days so far, and then it has ended on my own side. I don't know how many days target that you set on your own, so I want to show you how much I've made so far. Okay, I will take you to my betting account now and show you. As you can see, this is my BetWinner account. This is the account that I use in playing my 2 hours daily using Moneyline software. So this is how much I've made so far. I believe you can see my balance. This is I've won a total of 4.3 million plus. I've used some of the balance to stake some games today. Okay, let me show you. Let me go back to the Moneyline software and show you again. Now, as you can see, I started with a budget of 260,000 naira, or a capital of 260,000 naira to trade with this 2 hours daily, and my target was 19 days. 19 days is where this place you see with a green color. Let me put on my brush so that I will be able to mark some things for you. This was my target. I had to win at least 19 days out of the 30 days in a month, and today was the end of my 19 winning, and the software ended the entire transaction. So this is my total profit at the end of the day. As you can see, yesterday we had a loss. The day before yesterday we win. Then 2-3 days ago we also had a loss. So this is my you can see this is my profit here. It should have been more than this, because some days I used to catch out some of the gains and then use it for something personal. Okay, as you can see, then this is my betting account here. You can see my balance. You can see my balance. So this is very profitable if you are using the right source, and then you get the good tips. So out of the 27 days, we have won 21 days so far, but I did not play most of the days, so that was why my own has to end today. So I want to say congratulations to everyone that joined me in this journey. As I mentioned in other videos, that the 2 hours daily will continue until the 10th of August. 10th of August, when the new football season will resume. So by after 10th of August, that will be the 2 hours daily will be monetized for those people that are interested. So you can as well join me in the 2 hours daily on a special package, or you can also stay in this channel. I'll be posting free games at least 3 times in a week. That's Wednesday, Saturday, and Sundays. And but the 2 hours daily will not be available on this channel after 10th of August. So as you can see, out of the winning, I've just take some games for today. So guys, that's all. I want to say congratulations again to everyone that played today's 2 hours. Tomorrow 2 hours will drop in few hours, so stay tuned, and always remember to use Masalieno software to trade. It's free. The software is free. I will share the link in the comment section of this video, and also my WhatsApp link is there for those people that are interested in a VIP. I will also share our Telegram channel for those people that want to join our Telegram channel. Thank you once again, and see you in our next video.